Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this RFID passport holder. So inside of this nice bag is a passport holder. It has included RFID protection. Look at that. You got a nice handle here so you can carry it easily. And then look at that, even got a logo there. Nice zipper. Nice logo on the front. Little pouch here on the front if you want to use that. And if we unzip it, they include a little warranty. Look at that. They have locks and everything. Wow. Fireproof bag series. All right. As you can see, you can fit a few things down in here. Your ID, passport, any other important cards. There is a zipper pouch right here that you can put some stuff in, as well as this clear pouch. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pretty deep pouch pockets there. Another 4 over here, and then 1 for your ID. So it would be also fireproof, which would be pretty helpful for a lot of people. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.